Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about the structure and morphology of three different viruses: bacteriophage T4 virus, tobacco mosaic virus and HIV virus. Morphology means study their external features or external characters. First let us see the structure of bacteriophage T4 virus. Structure of a T4 virus is like tadpole larva, that is having a head and a tail. The head is hexagonal in shape, that means it has 6 different sides and it is 650 angstrom in size. Inside head, a single linear double-stranded DNA is present, which is the infectious genome of the virus. The DNA of this virus is the only nucleic acid part and all other body parts are made up of protein. Size of tail is 950 angstrom in length. It consists of a hollow cylindrical core inside a protein coat. Tail of bacteriophage ends with a hexagonal end plate from which 6 long tail fibers arise. These tail fibers are helps in attachment of this phage virus on the surface of bacteria and secretion of lytic enzyme during their lytic cycle. The next virus is tobacco mosaic virus. The structure of tobacco mosaic virus is generally rod shaped and it is a helical virus. It is measuring up to 300 into 18 nanometer in size. Tobacco mosaic virus contains a ratio of 94.4% protein and 5.6% nucleic acid. Tobacco mosaic virus have an outer protein coat called capsid layer, which is made up of 2130 subunits, and those subunits are called capsomeres. These capsomeres are ellipsoidal in shape. Each subunit is composed of a single chain of 158 amino acids. These sheets consist of 129 complete spirals. Nucleic acid of tobacco mosaic virus is a single-stranded RNA present in helical form with core radius about 4 nanometer. The RNA contains 7,300 nucleotides with a molecular weight of 2.4 million. The RNA of tobacco mosaic virus contains 4 genes, a smaller one of 474 nucleotides for the protein coat, then 2 large ones which code for replicase enzyme and a small one that codes for a protein which is thought to be mediate the spread of virus from a cell to another cell. So this is the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. The next virus we are going to discuss is human immunodeficiency virus or HIV virus. HIV virus is circular in structure and is 100 to 120 nanometer in diameter. It have an outer protein envelope to which spicules or spikes of glycoprotein are attached. Below to envelope, the capsid layer is present, which is icosahedral in structure. Capsid layer is conical and is composed of 2000 copies of the viral protein P24. Inside the capsid layer, 2 identical copies of RNA, enzyme like reverse transcriptase, protease, ribonuclease, etc. are present. RNA is the infectious genome of HIV virus, while these enzymes synthesizes DNA on RNA template. That means they reverse the flow of information from RNA to DNA. Hence, these HIV viruses are also called retroviruses. The RNA component is 9749 nucleotides long and bears a 5' cap and a 3' poly A tail with many open reading frames. Upon these open reading frames, the reverse transcription occurs by which a DNA strand is synthesized. So till now we discussed the 3 different viruses and their structures. Thank you everybody.